Hey, Adena. Yeah, great. No, Yagi, thank you for coming now. It's time. The Nebuzad Yada Halyana is our name, the Nebuzad Keepers, the language keepers. And our objective, our desire is to never let our language die. Our lesson today, lesson 6, handle verbs 2. So we had to handle verbs 1 already. So let's go ahead and begin. And first set, so we're going to teach you different objects have different way of handling different objects. So that's what we're doing today. So the first one is this first group of pictures right here. The question is, Hati Shana'a. Shana'a refers to hard, bulky, rock-like objects. Okay, so hard, bulky, hard, rock-like objects. Okay, Hati Shana'a. And you after you say that, you can go ahead and ask for a team when we teach in our lesson. Be'etest I nanish'a. Okay, that was a question. Hatishan, what are you giving me? And then the answer would be be'etest I nanish'a. So the team would have a choice of 3. Sanech nanish'a. Be'netel tlade. Be'netel tlade nanish'a. Okay. If it's a long, slender, then it'll fit over here. If a flashlight is not bulky, okay, it'll fit over here in this category. So flashlight could go one or the other. Hati shanti. Shanti would be stick-like objects. They're slender things, okay? So those are these plastic. Even hati shanti. And then the answer of somebody you call upon, it'll be Bilati'i. That's the fork. Bilati'i. Shanti. Or nanishti. Sorry, nanishti. Hati shanti. Besh. That's this right here. Besh nanishti. Now, besh could end up over here, a hard, bulky, rock-like object, if the knife was not flexible. I mean, it could fit over here. Okay, so it depends what kind of besh it would be. All right, hati shanti. Besh at de would be spoons. Besh at de nanishti. Over here, hatish shanale. These are rope-like, and they're pairs. Things that are in pairs. For example, this one has 2. So hatish shanale. Besh ahe deshe nanishle. Or hatish shanale. Osh nanishle. Last one. Hatish shanale. Ke. Every ke. Nanishle. Okay, we'll keep it a good thing we do in the classroom. Next, we have another group that has to do with things inside a box. Okay, hatishana ka. Hatishana ka. So it's cup in a cup or a box or something that has inside a container. Open object, like open objects. Okay, so here's one that's open. It's got something in it. It's got something in it. Hatishana ka. And you'll call on somebody, they'll say, Kohwe nanishka. Or they'll say, Belasana nanishka, because it's in a box. Okay. One of these would be nanishka. Remember that last one that we did? But this is in a little crate or something. Hadishanaka. Ashkes disse candy. Ashkes disse nanishka. Next one is dealing with different light, paper-like objects. Okay, light. Hatishanich sauce, and this will be nanish sauce. Hatishanich sauce, nal sauce, nanis sauce. Hatishanich sauce, the sauce. non-sos. That'd be the plastic. Okay. Things that are light, paper-like, flimsy, like objects. Okay, that's how you would treat it with these verb. Next one, shan kle, and I come up with two things: hush mud, hush non kle, or play-doh non kle. It's things that are mud-like. They're very squishy, like mushy. Okay, those kind of stuff. All right, next one. See if we got another one. Oh, we do. Okay, this one, things on wheels. Things on wheels. For example, hat ishan spons. Chide, that would be chide. Non-spons. Non-spons. Hat ishan spons. Senabons, that would be the wagon. Senabons. Non-spons. Hat ishan spons. Chiditso, non-spons. Okay, so that's things on wheels. Next one is Hati Shaniltke, living or close to living things. All right. So one of them is a west chin, which would be Dao. West chin, Nanishke. Hati Shaniltke, away, Nanishke. Hati Shaniltke, the Bayaj Nanishke. So things that are living, could be animals, that kind of stuff, living or close to living things. And then the last one, there's several more, but this is the last one I'm going to do. Hatisha nishod, and that has to do with dragging things without wheels, things that you drag without wheels. Okay, and it could be bag, as this, or it could be wood, like sin. Hatisha nishod, as this, non nishod. Hatisha nishod, sin, non nishod. Okay, give that to you. All right, Gushin, we'll see you in class. Bye.